Mission accomplished. Thank you, gentlemen. We have a successful delivery of the flowers to Amy Goodchild in the name of our boy, Aaron Hinkle. I'll take it from here, gentlemen. I salute you. You are now free to move about the country. Skate.
Say that to all the girls. Well, you have my attention. I know, you've only given me your ID 100 times. What kind of guy are you? I'm Amy. What do you want to study? Is that for your major? Well, I'd love to hang out sometime. Hello.
Hey, Amy. This is Aaron from the library.
Hey, Mr. Man. How are you?
Well, honestly, I'm doing a lot better now that I'm talking to you.
Honest, are you? Well, let me be honest. Every time a man has told me those words...
Just wanted to know if you'd like to study, later this evening. Just about the moment that the blue sky is lit by ambient moonlight.
Okay, Shakespeare. You don't need to wine and dine me with your words. I will accept your invitation to study with you.
So it's a date then?
Let's call it a study session.
So what do you think about 9:30?
9:30 it is.
Alright, I'll meet you on the 4th floor around 9:30 then.
Okay, Mr. Nonverbal. See you then.
Until then, take care.
Bye.